Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming firmware and getting a USB keyboard. This speeds navigation. Connect the Ps4 to your network and set a static IP so tools remain reachable. Sign in with an account that has system privileges, otherwise you cannot toggle deeper options. Once done, enable remote play and look in settings for the debug or developer toggle. It's hidden unless prerequisites match. These steps unlock the menus you need, and they prevent lost connections when you later modify system options. Now you access the hidden menus, boot into safe mode, or press the required button sequence while a keyboard is attached. You'll see debug settings. Enter system first to understand flags and toggles. Then move to network to set ports and confirm static IP again. This ensures remote tools can connect. Use USB options to enable external logging or diagnostics. Make changes incrementally and test after each change, so you can pinpoint which option affects behavior and why, avoiding cascading problems. Finish by saving settings and rebooting the console. A restart applies low-level changes and clears transient states. After boot, verify logs and try connecting remotely to confirm ports and services respond. Test the particular debug feature, profiling, network tracing, or verbose errors to ensure it behaves as expected. If something fails, revert the last change rather than resetting everything, because that isolates the cause quickly. One troubleshooting tip: if connectivity fails, double-check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.